At the bottom of page 2 are two division problems. They're dividing decimals by a whole number. So I'm going to put the first number inside my house, is what we've been kind of calling this little bracket for division, and the second number outside. If a decimal's in the house, we raise it to the roof, so I'm going to do that immediately just so that I don't forget about it later. And I know that 4 goes into 0 0 times, and 4 goes into 7 once. So 1 times 4, now I can start my division steps. Is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, bring down my 8. 4 goes into 38 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. When I subtract, I get 2, and I have to add a 0 because we're after the decimal point. I can do that without changing the value and bring it down. And 4 goes into 25 times, so 5 times 4 is 20. When I subtract, I get 0. So 0 and 78 hundredths divided by 4 is equal to 0 and 195 thousandths. The second example, my first number, 36 and 12 hundredths, goes inside my division bracket, inside my house. Divided by 6 is my second number, goes on the outside. If a decimal's in the house, we raise it to the roof, so I'm going to do that right away. 6 cannot go into 3, but it can go into 36 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. So I subtract and get 0. I bring down my 1. 6 goes into 1 0 times, so don't forget to put the 1 up here. That's a common mistake. And then multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. When I subtract, I get 1. And then I can bring down my 2. 6 goes into 12 twice. 2 times 6 is 12. When I subtract, I get 0. And so my final answer is 6 and 2 hundredths.